Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher. Today is 21st July 2024. So the Hamster Kombat daily cipher, the Morse code for today is locker, LOCKER. That's the Morse code for today, locker. So the first thing you do is to click on daily cipher here. When you click on it, we'll get the first letter, which is L. To get this first letter, which is L, you do one dot, one dash, and two dots. Let's go. One dot, one dash, and two dots. That's for L. For the O, you do three dashes. 1, 2, 3. For the C, you do one dash, one dot, one dash, and one dot. For the C, dash dot dash dot. For the K is dash dot dash, dash dot dash. Let's go. Dash dot dash. For the K. For the E is one dot. For the R is one dot, one dash, and one dot. One dot, one dash, and another dot. That's for the R. So you take the price. That's it for today's video, guys. Today is 21st July 2024. Go ahead and claim your daily cipher for today. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on bell notification. You can share to your friends as well. Thank you for watching.